All right, don't you just love quick lube places? They tell the customer that they have a rear main seal leak. We don't know if it's a rear main seal leak yet. We're still taking a look at that. But at the same time, they created their own leak. So, okay, let me show you. So it's leaking from the filter. It's got one of those, I don't know, cheap oil filters that like the quick lube places use. So they created their own leak. Also, they probably didn't even clean off all the oil because where this filter sits, it drains onto the skid plate, right? They're not going to take the skid plate off to clean it. So there's a bunch of oil here. And then the whole skid plate's soaked in oil, right? Because that oil filter just drains onto your skid plate. They're not going to take the skid plate off to clean off all this oil. They just left it. So they not only did they made their own leak, they also didn't clean up all the mess that they made either.
Cam end plug at the front.
So this oil leak is actually leaking from the cam end plug on the back.
Yeah, the back and the
So
back.
that's where that's leaking, not the rear main seal.
Yeah, not the rear main seal. I can see their confusion.
Yeah, because usually they leak from the top down.
Yeah, it just travels, so you could see some of these oil, like the travel marks right there.
Yeah.
And it just ends up in the back.
So there's your answer for that leak.
We have to start with that end plate first.
Yeah, so there's a plate in the back that always leaks. They silicone it, right? And you know, sometimes at the factory they don't silicone it well enough and it leaks.
Filter leak now.
Yeah, you're more concerned about this oil filter leak.
I'll check the oil level now.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Make sure. You got time to clean.
Yeah, you gotta take time to clean these things. Yeah, you know what's even funnier? The advisor came down and told us that her friend told her to not go to the dealership and actually take it to the quick lube place to do it.
It's for tricks.
Yeah, just for, yeah. You know, I don't know, but I looked at the prices at quick lube places. They're about the same price as what we charge here, so. If anything, the quick lube is actually more expensive now that you have to clean all this stuff and, you know, you're paying us to do it.
That's
Change. We're going to put in a Honda factory filter instead rather than the aftermarket junk
I just
ones.
ended up doing the oil change.
Yeah.
Right?
Make sure they don't strip out the drain plugs, right?
Change I changed
Yeah.
the
Yeah, change it.
I put a crush washer in there instead of the plastic washer that they put in there.
Yeah. Well, yeah, those plastic washers are
Yeah.
garbage. Put an aluminum one.
Okay, let's see if we can see the oil leak just to show you where it is.
It's very subtle.
It's very,
Yeah, it's subtle.
Oh.
It's there.
I can almost get it. It's right there somewhere.
See
Put
the
your finger
oil in
there?
this area here.
Yeah, right there. See it? Marvin, point your finger.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
There's some leakage
So
right
there.
here. So I'll start with the plate.
Yeah. It's funny. They said there's a leak, but they made more of a mess than the actual leak.
Yeah. This mess is relatively minor.
Yeah.
Rather than
So
a major
one thing, when you have a car, how many kilometers does this thing have?
34,000.
34,000. So still within the warranty period, if there's any kind of issues that we see, we typically will take care of it under warranty. So, you know, stuff like this, if you bring your car to the dealership and we see a leak, and it's under warranty, we just do it, right? So one thing that you shouldn't, you know, try to avoid the dealership, because, you know, not all dealerships are just trying to get yeah, you know what I mean?
Exactly. We're not all
Yeah.
out there trying to, you know,
Especially-
one up the customer, right?
Yeah, especially when you have these V6s don't go into a plastic valve cover anymore. There's no valve cover anymore. It's actually just the valve cover is the cam caps.
Yes.
So they use silicone. So if that thing does leak, it's a good time to
the end of the
actually catch it.
At the end of the day, we want it done correctly to begin with. We don't like comebacks that are negative,
Yeah.
right?
So we also do inspections and stuff too.
Yeah.
But yeah, just to show you guys that, you know, don't always try to avoid the dealership, because sometimes, you know, the dealership isn't as expensive as, you know, a quick lube places that, you know, causes more for your wallet than you do when you just get it to your dealership. I don't know if that makes sense.